Six figures doesn't guarantee wealth. These 5 habits quietly keep high earners broke. First, financing cars instead of buying smart. Big payments on depreciating assets drain cash and kill flexibility. Second, living paycheck to paycheck. Raises disappear into housing, subscriptions, and upgrades until stress stays constant. Third, not investing early. Waiting costs you compound growth and time is the one thing money can't replace. Fourth, emotional spending after payday. Stress and reward cycles turn good income into bad habits fast. Fifth, ignoring passive income. One paycheck means 1 point of failure. Here's the fix. Wealth isn't what you earn, it's what you keep and build. Cap car costs. Lock in automatic investing. Add friction to spending. Start a second income engine, even small.